What's up, y'all? We're back at it again. Beautiful day in San Francisco. I'm very excited because today we're gonna check out my new apartment. I am moving to San Francisco. I'm super juiced, which is pretty awesome, man. I haven't lived in San Francisco in a very long time. I was born in San Francisco and grew up in the Bay Area, but now I am back to literally the place I was born. Actually, that's not literally, so not literally, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna show you guys and ladies what the apartment looks like, and I'm very excited for it because, you know, little by little we're gonna start adding things. I'm driving and I'll see y'all in a bit. The only thing I will say about this apartment is that it was a blessing from the Lord. Let's get it. Give him the praises. But with that being said, let me show you the tour. Obviously everything's empty except for this table, but yeah, let's walk around. So this is the living room or dining room area, depending on what you want to do in here. Kind of have an idea of maybe putting the TV couches here against the window so that there's no glare, and then we have a long kind of section here, and the idea here though is maybe having like a game area. We play like a lot of board games. We're gonna have the dining table here. The dining table can really work here or here. It really does depend on what the plan is. But here we have this little nook area. There is a fireplace that does not work. That's all I gotta say. We have the kitchen. The kitchen area is really nice, and obviously it's gonna be echoey. But it's a really nice kitchen, way bigger, maybe 3 times bigger than my current kitchen right now. So super dope with everything you need, but yeah, pretty nice spot. And then walking from here, we have the hallway. And here's the water heater room. Nothing too exciting there. Hallway, we're walking down the hallway. It's a nice long hallway, which is really cool because if you think about it, if you want to stay up late or wake up early, you just hang out there. Everybody's sleeping here. Door to the entrance. So this is the first room. This is the homie's room right here. It's really nice, very spacious. This is actually bigger than his spot that he has right now. So that's really cool. We work our way right here. There is a closet. You know, put your coats, your toiletries, whatever it may be. Yeah, pretty much straightforward. That's a closet. From there, you can walk into the first bathroom. The first bathroom's right here. It's a really nice bathroom. So this is a shared bathroom, obviously. And that's pretty much it. You know, bathroom's bathroom. And then right here is the other room. This room is really nice. It is pretty much the exact same size, if not a little bigger than the first room we just showed you. And the reason why is because this one has a balcony, which, you know, it's a private balcony. So that's really, really cool. This room is nice, deep closets. And then from there, the last room, which is my room. This room is a lot bigger than my current room. I'm very excited for that. My goal for this room is to make this into a studio. That is literally the only goal. Like I'll sleep in the closet. The goal is to make this into a studio. I do have a closet. This closet is 10 inches shorter than my current closet. And then working our way in here is the bathroom, right? This bathroom is not as new looking as our current bathroom, but it is still a very nice bathroom, and it's a personal bathroom. So that's a blessing for sure. But that is the apartment, my friends. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen. So feeling really blessed. Once again, thank you, Lord. All glory to the Most High. But yeah, this is the apartment empty. Next time you guys see the apartment, it's gonna be filled. But with that being said, my friends, if you want to see the transformation and what goes on here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If not, no worries. I don't mind at all. But it's getting late. I'm gonna head out, my friends. So until next time, be safe, be blessed. Cheers.